Good afternoon, everybody. I decided to just do a relaxed video today, and yes, I am wearing a shirt. I worry it looks like I am not wearing a shirt in this video. But anyways, I wanted to do a relaxed sit down, get ready with me, old school YouTube, if you will. I decided to sit down in my beauty space and just do my makeup. Just do my makeup. I didn't make plans for what I wanted the look to look like. I didn't plan for what products I was going to reach for. I just went with what felt right. Some days I just need a makeup day like that so badly, where I'm not rushing to get ready to leave the house. I just get to play with my makeup. And so it is so good for my soul. I hope it is good for your soul. So grab your makeup, get ready with me, grab a drink, grab a snack. Let's relax. All right. I hope you enjoy it.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
All of the products that I use will be in the description box for you guys in case you are curious about them. I know this video is so old school YouTube, but honestly, sometimes I really miss those days. Back when YouTube first started, sit down, get ready with me, some chill music, maybe some chit chat, some life updates. I truly loved that version of YouTube, and I do miss it sometimes, so I plan to bring it back on occasion. I won't do it all the time, but sometimes I really do enjoy making these videos. I hope you guys enjoy them.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. butterfly. My body aches to be
I love
satisfied.
how this look turned out, and I had so much fun playing with products with you guys. Let me know, do you enjoy videos like this? Do you miss old school YouTube? I really do hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you next week. Have a wonderful week. Mwah.